in other part of this chemical reaction, and that is balancing of chemical equation. It is one of the important topic in chemistry, because if you pursue the study in science, then it will play a major role in your study. So try to understand it, and if you are not understanding, then please call me. I will make you stand. First, the chemical equation is balanced by two methods, heat and trial method, and second is partial equation method. This heat and trial method, what is the meaning? You just changing the number, hitting the element or compound with number, and several times it is repeated. That's what is called hit and try. And when you get success, means your chemical equation is balanced. The second is partial equation method. Partial equation method means partially chemical equation is balanced. This is also called ionic balance. But you have not studied so much about the ions, so in class 10 you will not study. But this heat and trial method you have to understand. Here, for first basic point for heat and trial method is, here I have written X, here I have written one number 2, here we have written on the right corner, bottom right corner I have written 3, and here I have written 2. This 2 is representing number of molecule, and this 3 is representing number of atoms. So while you are using heat and trial method, my dear students, remember one thing: you will not change any number in the place of atom. आप atom की जगह पर जो नंबर है उसी को रहने देंगे, उसको आप चेंज नहीं करेंगे. केवल चेंज क्या होगा? इस नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल. Here you will see one example. Example is H2 plus O2. You have to balance it. H2O. Here you see number of atom in hydrogen 2, number of atom in oxygen 2, number of atom in hydrogen here also 2, and at the place of O it is 1. And all of you know that left side of the chemical reaction is called reactant side. This is called product side. So on chemical balancing means the number of atoms and molecules on reactant side should be equal to the number at the product side. So how can you balance it? All of you see here 2 is balanced, hydrogen is balanced, oxygen is not balanced. I have told you we will not change in this number. We will change only number of molecule. So we can't put also some number here. You will think that, sir, we will put H2O. I have 2O. No, when the compound is given, then always the number will be extreme left side. So for balancing oxygen, we have to give 2 molecules here. So I have written 1 into 2. So it will be 2 H2O now. 2 H2O. Now what happens? When we put 2 here, then hydrogen becomes now 4. Hydrogen becomes 4. Here hydrogen is 2. So we will put 2 here. So now hydrogen is also 2 into 2, 4. Oxygen is already 2. So now this is 4, this is 4, this is 2, this is 2. Now the number of atoms and molecules on reactant side is equal to the number of atoms and molecules on product side. This is one example. Another example is, here I have taken another example. N2 plus H2 gives NH3. You have to see one thing here. अगर ये 2 हो गया, ये 6 हो गया, ये 6 हो गया, ये 2 हो गया। बैलेंस, यही बैलेंस करने का तरीका है और इसको आप और ज़्यादा समझ सकते हो, खुद प्रैक्टिस करो। हीट एंड ट्रायल मेथड केवल प्रैक्टिस करने का चीज़ होता है, इसलिए मैंने आप लोगों को कुछ यहाँ पे दिया है।